Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Pisces. This is your daily reading, guys. I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck, guys. Okay, be accommodating, forgiveness. Okay, okay, Pisces. So some of you all may be involved with a person who is in a creative field. Okay, maybe an artist. Okay, or you're an artist. Okay, or you're taking up some kind of creative ventures. Okay, you're into painting, dancing, singing. Okay, you're starting something new maybe. Okay, and this is the time for you to let go of your past, guys. Forget all the hurt. Okay, and try to be more flexible. Okay, and in order to be flexible, you don't have to give up all your beliefs and ethics. Okay, you just need to give space, and you have to listen to the person's suggestions. Okay, in any situation, and you can voice out your own beliefs and thoughts regarding that. Okay, you just have to understand the other person's point of view. Okay, and then decide about what you have to do, guys. So that is the energy I'm getting here. Okay, and you and your person, you're both healing from the traumatic incidents that were happening. Okay, you're moving on with your life. Okay, maybe your reconciliation is happening, or you both have already had a breakup. Okay, and you're moving away peacefully. Okay, so that is the energy I'm getting here. Both of you are healing. Okay, from the past hurts, whatever it is. Okay, so that is the energy I'm getting here, Pisces. Let me pick out 3 cards, guys. Let's see what to give us a clarity. Okay, um, some of you may be single. Okay, maybe some of you are there after a breakup, or some of you are waiting for reconciliation. Okay, let's see what is coming up with these cards. Okay, anchor. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, these cards signify ending of difficult times, guys. So whatever traumatic situations you were going through, okay, it's going to come to an end. Okay, you're fulfilling your destiny. Okay, whatever was destined to happen has happened, guys. So no need to worry. Okay, and you feel really bad because of that. Okay, sad because what you would have gone through. Okay, maybe you're fulfilling your destiny, guys. Maybe it's a karma. Okay, karmic cycle, whatever has happened. Okay, but now you're stepping into something very strong, guys. You're moving into some kind of commitment. Okay, maybe you're taking up a new job, or maybe you're stepping into a new relationship. Okay, you feel you will commit to this person. Maybe the relationship with this person is karmic. Okay, so that is the energy I'm getting here, guys. You don't have to be burdened with the past, guys. Burdened with the past memories, whatever was there, the hurt. Okay, you just have to give it up. You have to understand that everything happens for a reason. okay. um, all the bad things that happens in our life uh, is just for experience, guys. So we learn the lessons, okay. So we learned how to be and how to avoid the mistakes we did in the past, okay. So that is the energy I'm getting here, Pisces. So you don't have to be burdened with the past, okay. Something you're going to move into a committed relationship, okay. This may be with your new person or with your old person, okay. Maybe after a talk you're forgiving them, you're discussing your issues, okay. And for most of you all, you're growing emotionally, guys. There is great emotional growth, spiritual growth this day, okay. So or you may be visiting some place of worship or religious place, or you may be doing some kind of spiritual activity, okay. Maybe meditation, pray or something, you're participating in something, okay. So uh, this is the energy I'm getting here, Pisces. So you're moving forward, guys. You don't have to burden yourself with your past thoughts or burden yourself with your responsibilities. You have to talk to your person freely, okay. Discuss with them. It has to be a happy discussion, okay. So you can come to a solution after that. um, you don't have to be angry or resentful for what has happened, okay. You just have to let go. So you may be into some kind of creative beginning also, guys. So that is also the energy I'm seeing here, Pisces. That's a reading, guys, for today. I gave out a slogan the other day, guys, and the slogan for today is freedom is love, okay. So the meaning is when you give freedom to your person, or when your person gives you freedom, okay, it just means they trust you and they have confidence in you, guys. So when someone trusts you so much, they give you freedom. So that is the meaning. This is a happy intention for today. You can think about it, you can practice, okay. It will give you a positive change in your life, guys. So that is a reading for today, Pisces. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment if this reading resonated with you all. Thank you, guys. Bye.